In order to begin your order of TURGLEEZ, you will need to head to the TURGLEEZ Discord server and open a support ticket. You will click Open Ticket and be greeted with a message. You will list your selection of TURGLEEZ and your Stellar wallet address. An admin will open your ticket and request that you send 1,234 TURG to the address provided. You will send 1,234 TURG to the address by whatever means necessary. A wise choice would be balances.lumens.space and load in your freighter account. An alternative can be stellarterm.com. Just make sure you send 1,234 TURG to the address provided. You will confirm with the admin that they have received the TURG. The admin will notify TURGLEEZ and the minting process will begin. After a short while, you will be notified that your TURGLEEZ has been sent to your wallet address. To receive the claimable balance, you can head to balances.lumens.space and check your claims. An alternative, as shown in this video, can be Stellar Term. Just check your pending payments. On most Stellar wallets, you would visit the Transactions section and check under Pending. Select the claimable balance and click Accept or Claim. Congratulations! You have hatched your TURGLEEZ. Thank you for your support and have a fun launch.